The first portable air conditioner on our list is the Midea Duo. This unit features an innovative dual hose design that improves airflow and prevents hot air from re-entering the room. As a result, you get faster and more efficient cooling, powered by inverter technology. It delivers strong cooling performance while using significantly less energy than traditional portable AC units. With a cooling capacity of 10,000 BTU, it's ideal for rooms up to 450 square feet. The ultra-quiet operation at just 42 decibels makes it perfect for bedrooms, offices, or study spaces. It also includes smart control via remote, mobile app, Alexa, and Google Assistant for convenient operation. With smooth caster wheels, easy installation, and powerful airflow, the Midea Duo is a smart and energy-efficient cooling solution for modern homes. Next on the list is the Dreo AC515S portable air conditioner. This powerful unit delivers 12,000 BTU cooling capacity, making it suitable for medium to large rooms. It features a 3-in-1 design that works as an air conditioner, fan, and dehumidifier. The adjustable temperature range allows you to customize comfort easily. Its drainage, free cooling in low humidity environments reduces maintenance and improves convenience. Designed with a noise isolation system, it operates quietly at around 46 decibels, making it ideal for bedrooms and offices. Smart connectivity allows control via app, Alexa, or Google Assistant. Overall, the Dreo AC515S offers quiet performance, smart features, and efficient cooling in one compact unit. At number 3, we have the Whynter ARC-1230WN inverter portable air conditioner. This premium unit delivers 12,000 BTU cooling capacity and supports rooms up to 600 square feet. The dual hose inverter design improves efficiency and prevents heat from entering the room. It also features cooling, fan, and dehumidifier modes for year-round comfort. With noise levels as low as 42.5 decibels, it operates quietly even during nighttime use. Smart Wi-Fi connectivity allows control through mobile app, Alexa, and Google Home. Additional features include auto drain, sleep mode, and 24-hour timer. Coming up next is the LG portable air conditioner. This model offers strong cooling performance with 10,000 to 13,500 BTU capacity, ideal for medium to large rooms. It works as a 3-in-1 unit, including air conditioner, fan, and dehumidifier. The smart Wi-Fi control using the LG ThinQ app makes operation simple from anywhere. It also supports voice control with Alexa and Google Assistant. The auto swing feature distributes cool air evenly across the room, while the washable filter ensures clean airflow. With smooth wheels and easy installation, it's designed for convenience. Overall, this LG portable AC delivers reliable performance, smart features, and efficient cooling. Next is the Frigidaire Portable Air Conditioner. This compact unit offers 8,000 BTU cooling power, making it perfect for small to medium-sized rooms. Its portable design with caster wheels allows easy movement from room to room. It operates quietly at around 50 decibels, making it suitable for bedrooms. The unit includes 2 fan speeds, sleep mode, and a 24-hour programmable timer. The built-in dehumidifier helps remove excess moisture, improving comfort and air quality. A washable filter ensures clean air and easy maintenance. The Frigidaire Portable AC is a reliable and budget-friendly cooling option. The last portable air conditioner on our list is the EcoFlow Wave 3. This compact unit offers both cooling and heating, making it ideal for year-round use. With 6,100 BTU cooling and 6,800 BTU heating power, it quickly adjusts room temperature. Its standout feature is the optional battery that allows cordless operation for up to 8 hours. This makes it perfect for camping, RVs, and off-grid use. The Smart App control lets you adjust temperature, modes, and timers easily. Fast charging and portable design add extra convenience. The EcoFlow Wave 3 is a powerful and portable climate solution for indoor and outdoor use.